Hey everybody, it's John Henry's How-Tos. I'm going to show you how to make Moroccan chicken Marrakesh. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start this recipe with one brown onion. So all we want to do is slice through the middle. And we just want to finely chop this. Alright guys, so that's our onions done. Next we'll need 3 carrots. So obviously we need to peel these. And with our carrots we just want to slice them. Just like so. Now we'll place this into a bowl. Next we'll need about 3 medium-sized potatoes. Now you can peel these if you like. If not, just leave it on, there's more flavour like that. Slice through the middle, and we just want to cube these. And get them almost the same size as our carrots. And they go straight into our bowl as well. Next we'll need 1 zucchini. And all we want to do with our zucchini is slice it the same way as our carrots. Next we're going to bring across 4 chicken breast fillets. First we want to give this a good clean. After they're clean, all we want to do is pretty much cube them just like that. Now I am using chicken breast for this, but you can use chicken thigh if you prefer. Alright, so at this stage we'll move on to our stove. So guys, just into a pot on a medium to high heat, we'll add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once our oil heats up, we're going to add in our onion, as well as our diced chicken. And we just want to cook these together on a medium to high heat until our onions are softened and brown and our chicken is brown. Alright, so once your chicken starts to brown, we're going to add in about 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves. And we'll add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm also going to add in 1 400-gram can of diced tomatoes. And let's just mix that all together. So next we'll add in all our chopped vegetables. And we're just going to top this up with some chicken stock. So in my case I'm just adding 4 cups. You basically want it just to cover everything. Alright guys, so lid on the pot, and we want to cook this on a low to medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, so we're just at the 20-minute mark now. As you can see, it's started to evaporate, the vegetables are cooking nicely, chicken's cooked as well. So what I'm going to do is add in 1 can of chickpeas. And we'll also add in about 2 tablespoons of slivered almonds. Just mix that through. And we'll also add in half a cup of chopped up dried apricots. Alright guys, so lid back on. We'll just cook for another 10 minutes. Alright guys, so that's looking beautiful, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off now. And we're ready to serve. Alright, and there we have it guys. I've just served it on top of a bed of couscous. And let's finish it off with some freshly chopped coriander. Or parsley if you don't like coriander. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.